Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to build your timetable from scratch. How you can actually check out all your lecture slots, your seminar slots and your tutorial slots. For those sneaky students out there like me, I also aspire for a 2-day work week or 3-day work week. So make sure you watch to the end for my bonus resource because I'll be going through with you how to also get your exam timetable. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, please do check it out because you are missing out. It's really for your own good. So I'm going to pop them up over here. Okay, so we're going to get started right now. So always prioritize your lectures and then your seminars and then your tutorials. Okay, super clear. So what I'm trying to say is that if your lecture clashes with a tutorial, you have to prioritize that lecture slot and say goodbye to that tutorial slot and change that tutorial slot. If your module clashes with another module in terms of lectures, like this lecture and this lecture for 2 modules are on the same day and same time, you cannot take these 2 modules together. So something that I also want you guys to note is that there's this thing called even week and odd week, so you're gonna make sure that you're looking at the week properly. Odd week doesn't mean a weird week, it just means that it's weeks 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the odd numbers. Even week is basically weeks 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh my god, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you want to make sure that your tutorials are going on the correct week, and for your lectures you're going from the correct week and everything. Like, just don't mess it up because it's tiny font. Okay, this is gonna be very straightforward, but basically you go into NUSMods. You can either type NUSMods or click on the link down below. When you go inside, you'll see an empty timetable. Now over here, you also want to make sure that you're selecting modules for the correct semester. So for instance, you'll see semester 1, 2 and then special sem 1, blah blah blah. So just make sure you're clicking on the correct one. Okay, when you click on modules, you'll also see a whole bunch of modules. Very easy, just type in the modules that you are intending to take or wanting to research more about. You'll basically see the time slots and everything. Just click on it, click add to timetable. So do this exact same thing for all the modules that you're considering taking or wanting to take. Yes, do it right now if you want. Yes, go ahead. Now that you've completed everything related to adding all the modules that you're considering into the timetable, it's time to get some fun. This is the part where you have to do some little jigsaw matching and it'll probably take you about 30 minutes, I guess. But you want to click on every single lecture and prioritize which lectures you want. So for instance, if you're taking 5 modules and somehow all 5 modules have a lecture, make sure they all deconflict because it's very important. You cannot have any lectures conflicting. You may have to, you know, sacrifice some modules or you have to shift some things around. Okay, so just choose the appropriate seminar slots. Do know that seminars are literally 3 hours, so you need a lot of energy. So if you're doing back-to-back seminars, it's very tiring, trust me. And then just make sure that you're selecting the proper tutorial slots, and literally that's it, guys. That is it. Now, you want to make sure that you know a lot about tutorial slot swapping. I actually covered that in my previous video about how to do your module registration process. So please watch that and you can skip to the bonus resource if you want, where I go through how to swap your tutorial slots step by step. The best thing about this NUSMods thing is that you can actually sync your calendar into like Google Calendar, which is awesome. You can also print it out, which is what most people do. Or you can even just save it onto your digital planner if you have an iPad like myself. Okay guys, so now for the bonus resource about how to find out your exam timetable and also exam venues. It's very simple. Basically log into your account in EduRec, go to academics, go to examinations. It's very simple, trust me. And click on the corresponding semester and then click view examination date. And that's it. You'll see all your exams date lined up like that. Easy peasy lemon. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please do like, comment and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you know the next time that I post. And again, thank you so much for supporting this channel and I hope to see you next week.